Okay, we have Shane again with us this morning. I want you guys to watch. It's good. And look at that before he brake checks the mirror. It was good. Let's just check what he's doing. Beautiful stop. He's going up with the handbrake. He's not looking down. He's doing first gear. Just watch. He gets vibration. That was good. That's it, right? Let's look at the head movement. He's going to do a beautiful full observation now. Just see. He's waiting for the robot. Press the red. Just check. There's the full observation coming in. It's good. And just watch. He's controlling the vehicle. He should do a blind spot before he turns. So let's see if he's going to do it. It's controlling the car on the clutch. Check at that. Look at that. Look at that. And look at the steering method. Push and pull. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Come on, Shane. Well done. Well done. Keep it up, Shane. Keep it up. And that's not all. Remember, there's still an intersection. The last observation would be the intersections. And Shane is just winning ground. He's winning